Welcome back to the course Scratch Programming for Beginners. Today we'll learn a program with list variable. We'll do some hands-on and we'll go by an example. Let's go to the example. What are the steps we will do? First, we'll create a list variable. Then we'll add 10 integer into that list. Then calculate the length of the list. We'll replace an element in the list. Then we will delete an element from the list. Here is the code editor. First I am going to create a list. So make a list here. Let's say my list. List is created. Okay. So it's currently is empty. Now I will create few numbers and then I will improve that code once I have written in a very simple way. Okay. So let's go there. Create an event here. Take the starting button and then the variable and the list I can add numbers. Okay, so here I can add, let's say, three numbers here. First one, that is 1, that is 2, and that is 3. Okay, so if I run it, so three numbers are added here. So what I'm trying to do, if I run once again, another three numbers added, because the list already have three numbers, 1, 2, 3, and again is adding another 3. So if I run once again, it will add another 3. So what I'm trying to do, I will delete initially, I will delete all the numbers. Okay, then every time I will get only the 3. Okay, so if I am adding number one by one, it is adding the number here. I mean this block 1, 2, 3, 3 times. Let's say if I need to add 100 numbers, then 100 blocks need to be added like this. Okay, so though we don't want to do this, so we'll do in a better way. Let's go to the control here. If you have the repeat block here, and we have a repeat block, and let's say repeat. So I want to repeat a particular variable for 10 times, so that we can create the 10 numbers. So if I take the variable one, so it's by default is my variable, so that I need to set initially is 0. Okay, and then I need to increment that variable by 1 in every time, so that I can generate the number sequence. And here my variable each of the time is incrementing that number 1. So in that position I need to put the my variable. So I'm putting my variable here and run once again. So I saw that 10 numbers are added. Okay, so I already explained this, and I'm explaining once again that first I just delete my list, so that I'm getting the empty list from the beginning, and then I'm setting a variable called my variable is 0, and then I'm repeating a code block 10 times, so that I can generate 10 numbers, and the number is incremented, the variable is incremented by 1. So each time it is incrementing 1. So first time 1, then second time 2, third time 3, till 10, I mean 10th repetition, it will generate the number 10. And I'm adding that variable, and that means the number, whatever the number generating by the variable or holding the variable, that number, so adding in my list. Okay, so that's all about the list creation. Now I want to delete a number. Okay, let's say I want to delete this number 10. So here if you see that delete all or delete that one, or that is one of my list, that means this is the index. As I mentioned, that index is the position of the particular element. Okay, so starting from 1 2 3, so the index of 10 value is 10. Okay, so if I put 10, and then the number 10 will be deleted from here. Okay, so you see it is already deleted from there. And again, if I run it, so it will not have any effect because that number 10 index is not available over there. So if I want to insert a number 10, let's say number 10 at a particular position, let's say in a 10th position, then I can do also. Okay, so what is doing? Inserting in the 10th position, insert 10 at the index of my list. Okay, and what I have done here, I added the list, created a list, I've deleted one particular item or the element, I've insert a particular element, and I can also replace a particular element from the list. Let's say I want to I will replace number 9 item, that is my index is 9, with some value, let's say 100. So what I will get, number 9 I will get the 100. Okay, so in this way you can modify your list, and I already discussed in my another video. Okay, so you can create that list, you can modify and the operations. If you go for complex programming, then you require to understand this architecture very clearly, otherwise it will be you will not be able to create the complex project. Thanks for watching, stay with me.
This video is a part of video series based on the topic Scratch tutorial for the beginner. If you like this video, then please share, like, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.